Thank you for purchasing Lippert's Screen Assist, a lever handle push bar that allows you to conveniently and effortlessly open your screen door in a simple motion. For demonstration purposes, we will be showing you how to install the lever handle push bar. It can also be installed as a fixed push bar. To verify the proper size of screen assist you need, measure from door jamb to door jamb at the front of the entry door opening. Round the measurement up approximately 5/8 of an inch to determine the rough opening door size. To successfully install your screen assist, you will need the following: a cordless or electric drill or screw gun, appropriate drive bits, a small flat blade screwdriver, a non-permanent method of marking, and a measuring tape. To begin, the original lever handle on your screen door must be removed and replaced with the shorter push bar handle that fits into the receiver on the bar. Using the small flat blade screwdriver, remove the screw cover on the original lever handle, then remove the screw to remove the original lever handle. Next, install the new push bar lever handle. Hold the lever handle on the opposite side to keep it from falling out. Reinsert the screw and tighten. Then install the new screw cover. To install the push bar, insert the ball of the non-lever side sleeve into the pocket of the mount bracket. Slide the sleeves over the ends of the push bar. From inside the screen door, dry fit the assembly to the door's width. Next, insert the lever side sleeve up to the insertion line on the inside push bar lever handle and align the mount bracket on the door hinge side so that the bar rests parallel to the frame of the door. Mark the bar dimensions with a non-permanent marker. Now, measure from the end of the push bar to the first mark and repeat at the other end. Add these two numbers together and divide by 2. Then make new marks, centering the push bar between the two sleeves. Now, install the sleeves to the marked dimensions using the provided screws. At the screen door, insert the lever side sleeve up to the insertion line on the inside push bar handle. The sleeve should rest at the insertion line on the lever handle. Align the mount bracket on the screen door. The bottom of the mount bracket will rest near the top of the crossbar and should be parallel to the mid-door crossbar. Adjust as needed. Using 2 of the supplied screws, secure the mount bracket to the screen door. With that, you have successfully installed the Screen Assist. For any troubleshooting questions, contact Lippert Customer Service at 432-LIPPERT, 432-547-7378, or support@support.lci1.com, or email to customerservice@lci1.com. Be sure to download the Lippert Now app. Thanks for watching.